Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick guide, we're going to learn how to auto-assign tasks in Monday.com, one of the top productivity tools in 2025. First up, log into your Monday.com account and navigate to the board where the tasks are located. This is where you'll be assigning tasks, so make sure it's the correct one. Remember, Monday.com is all about organization, so it's critical to work in the right workspace. Now that we're there, the next step is to choose the task you want to auto-assign. Click on the task and then on the person icon on the right side. This icon denotes the assignee. The reason we do this is to designate responsibilities, which makes work more efficient by ensuring everyone knows what they're supposed to do. Next up, click on Auto Assign in the drop-down menu. You'll see a list of team members from which you can choose. This helps us because it takes the guesswork out of who's available to take on the task, streamlining the process and saving you time. Once you've selected the team member, click Save. This simple action locks in the auto assignment, so the system will automatically assign similar future tasks to the same person. This is a powerful feature in Monday.com because it helps create a consistent workflow, enhancing productivity and reducing confusion. And voila, you've just auto-assigned a task in Monday.com. With this feature, you're now better equipped to manage your team's workflow, ensuring tasks are evenly distributed and everyone knows what they're responsible for. Thanks for tuning in to today's guide on how to auto-assign tasks in Monday.com. Remember, a well-organized team is a productive team. Until next time, happy organizing.